What if I told you that the market tricked you on purpose? Most traders, they do not fail because they do not know the direction, but because they overlook the concept of engineered liquidity, which is a smart money concept. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to use this concept to enter into high probability trades and refining your entries to be better, to avoid stop losses. This is the Era Traders FX, and let's dive into the video and the concept of liquidity. So what is liquidity? You need to understand the concept of structure, which I always say that structure is king, and you must understand that when the market breaks structure to the upside, there are liquidities at various points in the market. So at various highs and lows in the market, at various highs and lows, those are liquidity. So we have the external range liquidity and the internal range liquidity. So this becomes the external range. Now remember, this is your range, right? This is your range on this point. So what price does is that price on an uptrend tends to take out internal range liquidity, then goes back to take out external. So for example, you have this minor structure on this leg, right? Just follow me, right? This minor structure name is red. Now these lows, all these lows becomes internal range liquidity. Remember that the last higher low is your protected low. So these are internal range liquidities, right? The market will come and take out and then buy to the upside. And then buy to the upside. So you must understand this concept, right? And what the concept of engineered liquidity is. Meanwhile, you understand that structural liquidity is basically when market gives you a strong low, and there's a sweep of a low, right? Before the break of structure to the upside, market giving you another break of structure like this again. Then this becomes our structural liquidity. This becomes our structural liquidity. This becomes our structural liquidity, and your order block will be just the last second before that break of structure. This is different from engineered liquidity. Engineered liquidity, for this now you want to buy from here when price takes at that level, right? You want to buy from. But for engineered liquidity, there is no structural liquidity. So normally you have your strong low, right? And price gives you a break of structure, and you don't have anything, you just have your order block waiting for you to buy from here, right? You just have your order block waiting for you to buy. You don't just buy here, because this will turn to inducement liquidity. This will turn to inducement. If you have not watched my video on all the kinds of liquidity, I think you need to go and watch the video. So this will turn to inducement liquidity, by price will want to take it out, and take this out and eventually go to your direction. So this is one of the reasons why many people set up share and say, okay, price takes me out and goes to my direction. But the concept of engineered liquidity is such that when price Alright, so for engineered liquidity, when there's a strong low and there's no inducement before your order block, right? There's no inducement before the order block. So price tends to engineer liquidity, thereby coming close to your order block. Right? It comes close to your order block, though as if it's buying already, and price fails to continue the buy. So when this happens, people tends to, okay, the buyer started already because of this push and they want to buy from this other block. this becomes the trap, and this low becomes the liquidity that price will use to. This becomes the liquidity that price will use to induce a lot of people to take their stop losses out and then buy all the way up here. I hope this makes sense. So now let's dive into the chart. So the first example here is V10-1X, right? So you can clearly see that. Let me just explain using this first example. Okay. So you can clearly see that there was a break of structure here, break of structure to the upside, and when that break of structure occurred, right, the other block was clearly this other block. Now if you zoom in, you can clearly see that it's slightly tapped into the other block, right, slightly tapped into the other block, or let's say it didn't really give us that press. And if this was actually valid, there should be a break of structure of this high. So if this had pushed all the way and broke out this side, then we would have said, okay, yes, this is a confirmed mitigation. But obviously it didn't. So you know what to buy from this fresh order block now. This becomes a trap that will induce a lot of people to think the buy has started, right? So this becomes our induced liquidity, right? Remember, we have a strong low. There was a sweep of this low, and this becomes our protected low that will not be taken out. What happens next? You enter your trade from here. Once price takes out your inducement liquidity, and you push to the upside. I hope this makes sense. It's pretty simple. Now let me show you on V25. I'll just show you a few examples, and I want you to practice this and drop your comments or your thoughts about this. And let's see how it goes. Okay. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see this. Right. So let me just remove. So let me use the 8-hour time frame. In the 8-hour time frame, I'm going to remove some things, right? Okay, so we can clearly see that there was a break of structure to the upside here, right? A clean break of structure to the upside. Break of structure to the upside, right? And this whole zone is the other block. You agree with me? This whole zone is the other block. Now let's scale down to 2-hour time frame. Remember I said that if this mitigation was actually a valid mitigation, there should be a break of this high to the upside. But market, no, that tells you that this becomes an inducement for another level. Now, if you see on the 4-hour time frame, if you understand the levels, you understand that this is a fresh level, right? This is a fresh level. So I'm already reducing my zone to that point, right? So what happens? Price comes in, takes out that level that was actually pushing to the upside, and then buy from there. You can as well use confirmation entries. I think I need to do a video on confirmation entries so that you guys can also learn how to use confirmation. Okay, so that's another one. Let me show you again. Let's see V101S. Okay, so this one. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that market give us a clean break of structure to the upside, right? clean break of structure to the upside, right? There was a break of structure to the upside, and okay, yes, this zone becomes a trap. This zone, this other block. Remember, your other block is the last bearish candle before the push up. So I have something around here. It's another block around this zone. Now, this other block caused a lot of people to buy. I remember that I said that if this buy is a valid buy, then the buy should have broken this high to the upside like this. It broken this high to the upside. But no, it's not a valid buy. That's why price had to take it out. So this becomes our engineered liquidity. This becomes our engineered liquidity. That I need to see that price needs to take out, then I start buying immediately or upon confirmation entry. Let me see if I can see a setup or share something with you guys. So let's see V30. Let's see V31s. So on V31s, although the buy this has already pushed a little. So let me see, that's gone already. Let me see if I can share something. This has also gone. Now a break of structure here already. I think someone's one of my team members sent me something about this, and I told him that structure is king and we shouldn't do that. So let's see if it's on 51s. Okay, so now you can clearly see that price is obviously bullish. Price is obviously bullish. So let me go to the 24-hour time frame. This is another block, and this is our inducement. This one is structural liquidity. So I want to see price maybe retrace back down, and then we can buy all the way up. I hope this helps you. I hope you gain value. I hope you learned something from this video. Please do it to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget, this is the Era Traders FX on your screen, and I hope to see